and Don, what's up? Tiene que nacer con esto, no se contrata. Yo cargo loca la gata, mi flow solito, mi placa. Yo me embolsillo la paga, tú presumes que destaca. Ahora es que entiendo si por envidia me atacan. Tienes que nacer con esto, no se contrata. Ni que te cambies el AK, ni que me estudies el rapa. Yo me embolsillo la paga, tú presumes que destaca. Brother, te entiendo si esta distancia te mata. Así que mami, vámonos legales, que me monté en los pedales. Y ahora sí que nos vemos anormales. Hoy quiero hacernos mucho más que reales. Y quiero darte mucho más que un Bugatti, porque ando con mi kicks flex, mi renta al día. Aunque sigo corriéndole a la policía. Hoy sí estoy comiendo de mi regalía. Lo que tú soñaste y nunca harás algún día. Te llegó tu día, soy la nueva rima, soy la nueva cara. Soy la rapper que pone la para. Todo un rompecore y pa' ponerla clara. Tienes que comprarte una oficina que sea más cara, para que dejes de estudiarme en la sala, para que con esas cadenas puedas darme la cara. Porque aquí somos del bajo y nos buscamos el trabajo. Yo misma caso los casos mientras me fumo mi faso. Así que quítate ya mi mito del paso, porque yo misma te aplazo, porque yo misma te paso. Pa' ti no hay oficio, pa' ti tampoco hay faso, porque tus barras son malas y tú solo estás de paso. ¿Qué tú crees que es lo que ves, man? Pegajoso como Tex-Mex, man. Buscando la renta del mes, man. Tu gata me vio y dijo yes, man. Tienes que nacer con esto, no se contrata. Ni que me cambies el AK, ni que me estudies el rapa. Yo me embolsillo la paca, tú presumes que destaca. Papi, te extraño y esta distancia me mata. Voy a ser millo si de rapearte se trata. Por mi familia yo ocupo balas de plata. No escribas de esto si no sabes qué se trata. Que por mi calle, por el respeto te matan.
Ay, ay, yeah. Ay. Go through the phase to get where we prayed. We champion made, ain't nothing I changed. The streets that we paved, they throwin' parades. Ay, nobody can hate on the road that I played. When everything's settled, let's see who remains. From dusk till dawn, from night till day. Ay, checking the game, was never afraid. Just call on my name, they fall into place. The land of elite, the home of the brave. Ay, nobody can hate on the toll that I paid. When everything's settled, let's see who remains. From dusk till dawn, from night till day. Against the world, okay, gotta go against the grain. In a mud from a place that wasn't sterile. Get it done like it ain't no thing. Okay, I'm a flamethrower, bang. Feel like I got me a championship ring. Pop bottles, bang, yo gang. Rep your set, take that to the bank. Yeah, I've been keeping it frank. King of New York, cause they talking about I done came up in the ranks. Number 11, I show up and show out. My heart is the size of the tank, not the size of the body. I body whoever, just think of Goliath and Dave. The bigger they are, the deeper the hole that I gotta fill in the grave. Okay, from the mezzanine to the penthouse. I was 17 on the bench now. All my idols then is getting sent down. Okay, and my enemies is all hellbound to get meltdown. Guess it's all starting to make sense now. Lil Nicky shit, when that stimmy hit, I was running sessions like a guinea pig. Put sauce in it like the guineas did. Just like my father, I'm Vinny's kid. I'm really him. This really shit that we talked about as little city kids. We really did everything we said we would, blowing up like Killian. Yeah. Hey. Go through the phase to get where we prayed. We champion made, ain't nothing I changed. The streets that we paved, they throwin' parades. Ay, nobody can hate on the road that I played. When everything's settled, let's see who remains. From dusk till dawn, from night till day. Ay, checking the game, was never afraid. Just call on my name, they fall into place. The land of elite, the home of the brave. Ay, nobody can hate on the toll that I paid. When everything's settled, let's see who remains. From dusk till dawn, from night till day.
of my suite, ayy. They counted me out, they wanted me to fail. I got the receipts, ayy. Pressure McDonald's, you better not fall, better not crumble, ayy. Where I'm from, that's not the point in your life where you fumble, ayy. Hold up, look, I ain't worried about the past. Look how far I came from what I didn't have. Hold up, look, only focus on the bag. Look how far I came from what I didn't have. I bet on myself, my work at the show, you see that I'm all in. You pass me the ball, I'm scoring a rock, you see that we ballin'. She chillin' with me, she wanna be riding around in a foreign. We high off this life, we took us a hit through the city, we soaring. Remember them days that I needed a meal. Now I've been grinding to give me a meal. They say my talent is one in a mil. This not for play, this for real. I took some days to beat it myself. Would you go quick right before your success? Chasing your dreams, got your life in a mess. Ay. See my mind is full, I don't wanna think no more. Ay. You gon' walk away, I'ma kick down the door. I'ma find a way, I've been down before. I ain't breaking even, I would never draw. Look, hop off the plane, feet is on land, head of my suite, ayy. They counted me out, they wanted me to fail, got the receipts, ayy. Pressure McDonald's, you better not fall, better not crumble, ayy. Where I'm from, that's not the point in your life where you fumble, ayy. Hold up, look, I ain't worried about the past. Look how far I came from what I didn't have. Hold up, look, only focus on the bag. Look how far I came from what I didn't have.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, yeah. The jig is up. Yeah. I came too far, I ain't giving up. Hey, I had to cut what was weighing me down. And then when you grow, they say that you switching up. Hit the perimeter. Defending the fort, we crushing the visitors. I got it locked, ain't taking a prisoner. Thought it was sweet until they chin hit with a finisher. Heartbreak, Nikki, I'm voiding the slips. I'm raising the stakes, enjoying the risk. Injecting my veins with ice, as cold as it gets. I live for this shit. Die as a legend, I ride with aggression. I lost in the past, it's fine, it's a lesson. I'm loading the clips, I fire the weapons and taking what's mine. It's time for redemption. Yeah.